I've just finished installing this green oak gazebo for a very good client of mine to match some of the work we did for them previously on the channel. I've not filmed the entire process of this one, but it was quite relevant in that we were able to assemble the whole structure inside the barn next to the workshop so we could build it on the ground. Huge time saving in having that built in the barn. Once it was all built and test fitted, we transported it over to site in a couple of van trips. And then I had Ali with me behind the camera to kind of document the day of the install. So it's a bit of a fly on the wall video. There's also a couple of interesting bits in there of mounting the posts onto the stone walls using some stainless steel pins. One of the pins is actually hollow and the cable travels through it, and we drilled down through the wall and up through the entirety of the posts so that cables can be run to the top of the gazebo without seeing them. And actually, to answer a little question that I posed in the last video, the demographic that's most popular on this channel is between 55 years old and 65 years old. So give us a thumbs up if you hit that category of people.
Have a good night's sleep.
How long have you got involved in this, Steve?
I don't know. I'm going to actually go and do some slating.
Here. Ready? Alright, go on. Oh. Yeah.
Most juicy, isn't it?
We made the curry. And slow. I think that. But, hold on, you got. Just support it, I'll find them. No. Really?
I think rip it and you have a look.
Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah. Lovely lads, things great, but
It's like at home, isn't it?
that's working on.
You've got a level there at all.
Windows, isn't it?
You just got to put peg in from the front.
Peg it from the back.
Robin?
Keep it in the bottom of the.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
From that side, haven't we?
What's the thinking there?
Tell me what's the book, mate. Hey?
Oh, that's it. Down.
Okay.
It's making nice noises.
Your back went? Yeah. Right, go back.
Down, down. Bit more.
We need to try the pegs to keep a bit more pressure on it.
That's it, we're seated.
Right,
down.
this one's. What do I do? Very nice. Not too sweet. Right, you know what? I'm going to start with that one.
14.
Yeah.
Do you reckon that's right?
I think that's about.
I reckon 20.
I think that's more than enough.
You might be right, actually.
Just turn it.
Is it going to be right?
Yeah.
I think it was almost perfect, wasn't it? 13, maybe.
Yeah. Next one, 13.
But 14 was fine, wasn't it?
Right, so if you clean that up, I'll do the next. Is it up or down?
Okay, so down a little bit.
Down a bit?
Oh, no, not that much, up a little bit.
Like that.
Yeah, somewhere there, mate.
Yeah, and I can see that he is.
And then you got your guide down there. Do you want-
Fast or slow?
I'll just go slow.
Oh no, that's easy. Yeah, that works.
Oh, let's do that. Stop there.
See, yeah, and then you just. Okay, let's do it with that one.
Wow. Perfect. That is perfection. Virtually through.
Right, I'll get this one down.
Get it easy. Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Until it goes.
A little bit higher, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got what? No, we've got it at the bottom. Where's it? Oh, there it went. No, there's not.
Right, I'm all the way down now.
Yeah, going.
And that's it.
I've got to pretend I'm doing something now, haven't I?
Yeah.
Okay, you're steering.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Just over the housing if you can hold it. Down. Get it level, bro. We'll go down together. That's it.
It's a filter bit as well, isn't it?
Down, 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 down.
Right, I'm in.
Stop that. Are you in?
Once, yeah, it's tight now. Let's
Yeah, go
tighten it
down.
up.
That is really tempting. Go on.
You're in, aren't you?
Just hold yours up as you can, bro. It's going quicker than you can. Yeah.
Right.
Right, well then.
Beautiful.
Using that.
Other way, please. Rondo. Hold it.
All right.
Got your chain out of the way, yeah? Down.
You lift it up and stuff. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, good, yours. Next one. Catch up, yeah. Get ahead of you. You get like that? What? Okay. Is that okay on this?
Yeah.
It's not pushing it at all, is it?
Here, you want to have it or are you going to clamp it?
Well done. That's the report.
I liked it.
When were we trying to cover this up tonight or not?
Not like Brooks.
Get that way, there's one in every hole. So,
We want 8 finger.
that rafter wagon. How high, Ben?
All right, but I thought you were doing the same step. Yeah, I'm always happy. How is the next
Close to it going in.